and welcome to Ricky on Wrestling. Hi guys. I kind of promised you I'd do a bunch of content while I was here in America. I haven't, I'm sorry. But that stops now and the content starts now. Got to Vegas yesterday. This is my hotel room, this is my view. That is T-Mobile Arena, where Raw and SmackDown are happening, and that is Allegiant Stadium, where WrestleMania is happening. We are in the thick of it, right here. This is great. This room is fucking amazing. There it is. But like I said, the content is coming, and right now I'm editing this video here, which is me doing my WrestleMania 41 predictions at the Grand Canyon, which is kind of fucking wild. But yeah, there will be more content coming before, during, and after all the shows. I'll be posting it on like YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and all that shit. So keep an eye for that. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm sorry that I didn't do much content, but the content is coming. The content is coming, I promise. But yeah, anyway, that's it. I'm in Vegas, WrestleMania weekend. Still doesn't feel real, but it is. All right, bye.